Welcome to WRO News. Tragedy strikes as up-and-coming gun tuber Ben from Wild Ride Outdoors takes serious heat in the comment section for, quote, having garbage guns. Yes, everything from his High Point to his Kimber to even his AR are considered all trash. Even one commenter saying, what do you have against quality firearms? Well, that's what we're here to find out tonight. We have our reporter who's caught up to Ben and is on scene live. Let's check out and see what's going on over there. Welcome everyone to WRO News. We're here in central Wisconsin before the storm hits outside our local sporting goods store, Dunham Sports, where it was reported that Ben was last seen entering one of these. Who knows what he's up to now? Oh, look, there he is. Let's go to him now. Ben, how do you feel about the allegations against you right now? They took that shit seriously? It was a joke. Fair enough. Well, I see you walked out with a case. What did you pick up? 9mm. Well, yes, but what brand? You know, make, model? You know, as the commenters say, the brand makes guns more dangerous in certain situations. It was Glock. Oh, a Glock. Well, ish. You know, that's really a step in the right direction. Glock-ish. What do you mean by that? Glock-ish. Kind of. Well, you know, can we just see what's in the case right there? No. Hey, come back here. Come back here. Wait, you have to appease the masses. Well, that's what we're getting. WRO News, back to you. What's up everyone? My name is Ben. Thanks for joining me at Wild Ride Outdoors. And we got something new for you today. Was at the shop filling out some different paperwork for a different piece. And I seen him putting this one inside the case. I thought it looked cool and the price was already pretty cheap. And then they had a sale going too. So I decided to fill out some more paperwork and pick this one up too. It is made by Rock Island Armory. And let's open it up and see what's inside. All right, what we have today is this. This is a Derya DY9 9mm pistol. It's a Turkish-made Glock 19 clone. This one comes with flared magwell, fiber optic front and rear sights, and is pre-cut for optics, which is really cool given the sub $300 price that they're getting for them right now. They come with 1, 2, or 3 magazines. This takes standard Glock 19 Gen 4 magazines. This one just came with 1, but that's okay. We did pick up an actual Glock 19 mag to throw it in here to make sure everything fits and matches up properly. Comes with 4 different back straps, 1 on the gun, 3 on the side for different thicknesses, whichever you prefer. I've got fairly small hands, so a nice slim grip is what I prefer. And it also comes with the optic mounting plates. Comes with 2 of them. This one is for Trijicon optics. And this one is compatible for TrueGlow, Doctor, Mopta, Insight, and Vortex, which is really cool. So when you have your optic plates are already there, slap it on, ready to go. I'm going to take, and from my understanding, like I said, Glock 19. So release the hammer, pull back, lower the notches, slide it apart, and just like that, I'm better than our government's firearm expert. Pop out a little spring and plunger there. There's our barrel, 4-inch. Everything looks pretty standard in there, what you'd expect to see. So let's slap this back together now. And there we go. Just that simple. It feels really, really nice in the hands. And I like how the sights are fiber optic. I don't have the greatest vision, so having actual fiber optic sights instead of just painted sights helps me a lot. So we're going to get this bad boy packed up, grab up some boxes of ammunition, head out to the range and go have some fun with it. Put some mags through, see how she holds up, check the inside for wears, spots, and see if she can compare to an actual Glock or if I just wasted 300 bucks. So stick with me and I'll see you out at the range. Alright guys, we're here back at the house. Figured we'd check out the gun, go over a couple things, show you some of my likes, dislikes, issues that might have happened, that you might have seen in some of the footage. So let's get into it here. All in all, she held up pretty well, actually. Didn't really have many complaints, especially after it got broke in a little bit. We did test out the actual Glock 19 magazine against the factory mag, both 15 rounders, and they both worked fine for the most part. We did have issues where when we'd shoot the last round, it would not always hold open the slide, but that ended up clearing up a little bit after we started putting more and more rounds through it. And then the other issue was when your magazine is fully loaded and you insert into a locked back slide, it's supposed to automatically release the slide, insert round. That only worked if there is at least 10 rounds in the magazine. It did not matter if it was a Glock or the factory mag. Anything under 10 rounds, it was iffy whether it was going to actually send it forward or not. There's about a half and half. Now, 10 rounds and over, it'll work just fine. One other issue I have with it is quite common with cheaper firearms, and that would be the trigger. So, we have our little trigger safety. Start pulling. There's all our slack till we hit the wall. Then it's creep, 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 creep. There you go. Reset it. Let off, let off, let off. And there's a reset. It's not the worst, but it could definitely use some work. Other than that, again, it's with the mags, and this one just me being picky. Factory mag, the base plate is rather thick to compensate for the flared mag well. Standard Glock mag, base plate's thinner, and so it kind of sits inside that mag well. So you really have to make sure you get it up in there, but that's just me complaining. It did work pretty well. Now let's get into the insides of it. So far, besides for just being dirty, there's no severe wear spots on the inside of the slide. Balloons all there, no gouge marks. Again, only 400 or so rounds, but it's a start. The lower frame, everything still intact besides for being dirty. Everything's good. So we'll slap her back together. And there we go. Other than that, I don't have much to complain about. She was actually pretty solid out there shooting. We put her through a lot of rounds that day. We bumped her around a lot, just to see some of the durability. It's nice because this will fit most people, and with the different back straps that you can get in with the box, you can definitely make it work for you. Would I use it as an everyday carry or a concealed carry firearm? Probably not, at least not yet, because I haven't put it through enough rounds or testing to see if it's going to be that kind of durable. But we will get there, and we will show you more as we continue to play with it. And for 300 bucks, why not? You know, 300 bucks for a 9mm. Eventually we'll get optics for it. We'll shoot it till it blows up. Alright everybody, that's what we got for today. I had a good time testing out this new gun on the market. I hope I gave you guys a little bit of insights to what this Derya company is about and what they're trying to produce here. Special thanks to everyone who subscribed to my channel, likes, comments, shares, all my stuff. Really does mean a lot to me. And I just can't thank you guys enough. So thanks again for joining me at Wild Ride Outdoors. I'll catch you on the next one.